group. Okay, it has only single, it doesn't have any pair. Suppose if we write br means break, then it doesn't need any pair, means it doesn't wrapped on the text. Okay, but this container tag is wrapped on the text. Okay, it will be wrapped on the text. Suppose whatever thing we write here, it is wrapped all the thing is wrapped between this two tag. Okay, but in the case of empty tag, it doesn't wrap. We write this thing in beginning of that word, and that it will be then the browser will execute the function. Now our second topic, what are the HTML attributes? It is very important to know what is the HTML attribute. Now as you know the tag, now attribute is the additional information about the element or tag. Okay, about the element or tag, whatever the additional what are the we give additional information thing we give to the tag. For example, body tag may be of may have the bg color attribute. Body bg color equals to green, it is the value. We read later this, though this bg color is the attribute, means additional information about the body tag. Now note that the attributes are always specified with the starting tag in the start tag, and always come in name and value pair. What we attribute is always in the what we call start tag. That means we cannot use attribute in the empty tag, and it comes in the pair. That means name and value both. Suppose we have to add the name of that thing, that is name equals to value. So name is, what is the name, bg color, and what is the value, green, and we quoted the value in double inverted comma. Okay, now note that the value of the attribute in HTML may be without code. We can write this value without code also, but assigning the value with code helps all the browser to render the HTML code properly and provide the proper validation. So we use the code because it will help all the browser to run that HTML language properly. So in some browser it may be not working if we don't give that code. Now HTML structure, how this HTML structure work, how we write. So first of all we have to open the HTML and then close the HTML. Okay, then it has two parts. First part is head. It is written here also. All the HTML document has two parts, the head and the body. So first of all is head. When head open, then head also closed. Under the head we have to write title. That is important, title. So in this title, in head also we can we write something under the head, but in later chapter we study about it. But here we have title also. In title we write the topic of that web page, and in body we write all the things that we want to show in the browser. Now how to create and save the HTML document. First of all we have to open the simple text editor like Notepad. In our computer we have Notepad, and in our mobile phone we don't using this thing, but it is also a simple text editor. Whatever software, whatever application we are using, it is also simple what we call text editor. Okay, and after that when we write anything, in the Notepad, then we have to save it. Second thing is that we have to save it. When we save it with the extension HTML or .html or .htm, we have to what you call written here that we have to save it. First of all we have to start with the we go with the start button, and then we go for Notepad, and then something we write in HTML code, and then we have to save it. First of all, when we save it, Then we go with go to access. It means how to access, means how to use that web page, how to run that web page. So there are three ways to run it. First of all, that we go to File Explorer, and then File Explorer, you can go with File Explorer, I think with by window button also, or what you call control plus run button also. You can go with anywhere. When you go with when you go to File Explorer, then you have to find the file of whatever you have to save it. Suppose in this example given that you save that HTML file, whatever you write here, first.html, then you have to simply double click on it, and whatever your default web browser, that web page open on that web browser. Okay. Second thing is that you have to tap all the full path of the HTML uh, file in your address bar of the web browser. In wherever, suppose when we open a Google Chrome, then we have to write the what you call it, suppose www.cbsc.com. Okay, this is the full path of the HTML file where it is stored. Okay, so like that only we have to paste all the thing with all the location, all the path of uh, that file which is stored in the anywhere, any folder in the web browser. Okay, and third is we go with keyboard also, that is combination of control plus O. In the control plus O, there is it opens a in combination of sorry, control plus O, it represent open a file dialog. Okay, open file dialog box to open, and then we have to navigate, means we have to search that file, and when that file is open, then we have to open that file, click on that open button to open the web page in the web browser. Okay, when we click on that file, it's some pop it pop pop up pop up is opened, and then on that pop up we have to choose that open button, and then we execute or access that web page. Okay, now it is the tab bar. We can see tab bar in our each of one, any web browser. You can say tab bar. Tab bar means we can add any now numbers of tab or numbers of web page at a in single web browser at a time. Okay, in Chrome also you can say see that plus sign. Okay, I am using the Chrome also, but when you are using the other web browser also, you can see that there is some option to add a web browser, sorry, add new tab or web page at a time, single time. Okay, now whatever where I'm writing the HTML tag, whatever you add in between the title tag, it will be appear in this here. Okay, in the sorry, in the title bar of the web browser. Okay, in title bar of the web browser, and whatever you write in the body tag, uh, it will be it will seen as output of that web HTML language in the web browser here. Now, what is the comment is very important. So comment is written in this format, and comments give us information about the web browser. What about means that the what about what this line what this line suppose somewhere I write that it is my first, suppose it is written my first web page. It gives the information that editor or that person write this web page first time, for first time. Suppose like this I write it is for school. Okay, anything we can write for our remembering, we can use this comment. And in next class I will discuss about the attribute of the body tag. But before we discuss theory, we will do practical, and I will upload video first. I will upload the video for it, and then we go with theory class also. Thank you. Have a nice day.